Hello, namaste, Kugam Sang, everyone. I hope you all great. I'm always telling fact, not fiction. So you should know that. That is very important. Today I'm sharing about vertigo disease. Okay. So maybe you all know vertigo is some kind of the connection with the dizziness. Also, immediately you are thinking for your brain. Vertigo is connection with your air, right? So my talk is different, totally different. Okay. So first, if they have dizziness, they have a lot of different disease symptom. Only dizziness. All dizziness is not connection with the vertigo. So if you doubt your dizziness disease is vertigo or not, how to check? You are going to hospital. You are concerned to doctor. No need. Okay, no need. Then how? Just you sit like this and move your head like this and like this. During moving, if you get huge dizziness and light dizziness, that is vertigo. 110% vertigo. Okay? How to check vertigo? Now you get it. Second thing, how to calm vertigo for our body? They have a lot of the reasons. So I tell you few main cause. First cause is some connection with the fell down, accident, these things. Okay. Second thing, your pillow. It is connection with your pillow. If you are using very thick pillow, that also cause. If you are not using pillow, that also cost. And another one, if you are when you lie down on the bed, if using cell phone, that is one of main cause for these days. During sleeping, don't use cell phone. And another one, at night during sleeping, don't use AC and fan direct your body. It is very harmful. These causes main reason you should avoid it. Okay. And now, due to these reasons, due to this lifestyle, your C1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, T1, 2, 3. These elements little bit going to loosed. Due to that, our neck 2 and cerebellum brain, that function is energy is imbalanced, and due to that is effect to the dizziness. Cerebellum brain is main function is our balance function. So they have little bit imbalance energy, and when we moved, we get the dizziness. It's called vertigo, right? So many doctor and 99% they say vertigo is connection with your air. Totally wrong. No, it is a connection with your C1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, T1, 2, 3, and cerebellum brain, and with those nerves. Okay. Now, third, how to stop vertigo, right? How to stop vertigo? If you have vertigo, then earlier I mentioned at night don't use AC and fan. Night during sleeping, night and daytime during sleeping, don't use cell phone and watching TV. If you want cell phone and use cell phone and watching TV, just sit like this, then watch and use it. It's okay. And another, pillow. Many patients they are not using pillow. That also harmful. Many people they are using very thick pillow, two, three, double, triple using pillow. That also harmful. How much we use pillow thickness? 4 finger thickness pillow we can use. It is very suitable. And also you can use cervical pillow also. It's very helpful. Okay. These what I mentioned. These 4 5 lifestyle, if you change, your vertigo will be getting down. Don't worry. If your vertigo is not chronic, if beginning vertigo, it will be curable easily. And last, now if they have really, after taking your lifestyle, still not getting cured, you should come here, Tarasuri Clinic. We giving traditional Tibetan best treatment. Within 2 3 minutes, you get free. If your vertigo is not very chronic, if your vertigo is not chronic, it's very easy. We can make like this. So many patients they get the relief, come here suffering a lot of the suffering. When they comes once, then they are going to the happily going to the satisfaction and enjoyful. They go back to home. So these 4 important things you should put in your mind. No need insulin, no need painkiller, no need steroid, no need surgery. If you want to avoid these things, you come here, we give you vertigo free. Okay? Thank you.